Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. In a gas engine, what device ignites the fuel-air mixture? Is it A. Gaskets, B. Valves, C. Spark plugs, or D. Pistons? The answer is C. Spark plugs.
Spark plugs are the tiny but mighty heroes of gas engines, creating a spark that can reach temperatures up to 60,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat ignites the fuel-air mixture, powering your car with a controlled explosion. Without them, your engine would be as silent as a mime.
Question 2. What is the name of the planet in our solar system given the nickname the Red Planet? Is it A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, or D. Saturn? The answer is B. Mars.
Mars, known as the Red Planet, gets its fiery hue from iron oxide, or rust, on its surface. This striking color has fascinated humans for centuries and inspired countless myths and stories about Martian civilizations. Even today, Mars continues to captivate our imagination as a potential future home for humanity.
Question 3. What is ecology the study of? Is it A. Windmills, watermills, and animal engines, B. The practice of escaping from restraints, C. The relationships between living organisms and their environment, or D. The death of stars? The answer is C. The relationships between living organisms and their environment.
Ecology, the study of relationships between living organisms and their environment, reveals fascinating interactions like how trees communicate through underground fungal networks. These wide webs allow trees to share nutrients and even warn each other of dangers, showcasing a hidden world of cooperation beneath our feet.
Question 4. How many planets are there in our solar system? Is it A. 7, B. 8, C. 9, or D. 6? The answer is C. 9.
Once upon a time, our solar system was said to have 9 planets. However, in 2006, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet, reducing the official count to 8. Despite this change, many still nostalgically remember the days when Pluto proudly held its planetary status.
Question 5. What is the symbol for the element oxygen? Is it A. O, B. Og, C. Ox, or D. Oi? The answer is A. O.
Oxygen, symbolized by O, is the third most abundant element in the universe and makes up about 21% of Earth's atmosphere. It's essential for respiration in most living organisms and plays a crucial role in combustion, making it a true life sustainer and fire starter.
Question 6. Which garden bird is famous for their red breast and beady eyes? Is it A. Albatross, B. African hawk, C. Gray pigeon, or D. European robin? The answer is D. European robin.
The European robin, with its iconic red breast and beady eyes, is not just a garden favorite but also a symbol of Christmas in many cultures. Legend has it that the robin got its red breast from trying to remove thorns from Jesus' crown during the crucifixion, staining its feathers with blood.
Question 7. What is the atomic number of molybdenum? Is it A. 42, B. 5, C. 20, or D. 3? The answer is A. 42.
Molybdenum, with the atomic number 42, is not just a crucial element in steel alloys but also holds cosmic significance. In The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, 42 is famously revealed as the answer to life, the universe, and everything, making molybdenum a truly stellar element.
Question 8. What would you call a baby skunk? Is it A. a tadpole, B. an owlet, C. a kit, or D. a caterpillar? The answer is C. a kit.
A baby skunk is adorably known as a kit. These tiny creatures are born blind and deaf, relying on their mother for protection. Interestingly, kits can start spraying their infamous scent as early as 3 weeks old, making them pint-sized but potent defenders.
Question 9. What is arachnology the study of? Is it A. spiders, B. bones, C. rheumatic diseases, or D. Buddha? The answer is A. spiders.
Arachnology, the study of spiders, reveals that these 8-legged creatures have been weaving their intricate webs for over 380 million years. Some species can produce up to 7 different types of silk, each with unique properties for various tasks like building webs, wrapping prey, or even creating parachutes.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember, in the grand experiment of life, curiosity is your best hypothesis. Until next time, keep exploring and stay naturally curious. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until we meet again tomorrow, have a great rest of your day or night.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.